Hey guys, we're gonna do an unboxing video because my dad got me Nike Force Ones, and I'm gonna try them on and gonna show you how they look like. And these are how they look like. They say on the back, "Have a Nike day," and a star. And I think that's a sun with the Nike logo on it. Same with this one. The same thing. And now I'm going to try them on. And I want to show you these two. These are like, my dad got me these last year, I think. And they're really cool. I like them. They're like on the floor. I'm gonna tie my laces now. Oh. I know how to tie my laces, but it is like kind of hard for me. You know? Yeah, it's really hard. And these are how they look like. And the back, the side, the back, the other side. Oh, and the Nike logo on here.